If you have a multiple WhatsApp account and you are tired of frequently logging in and logging out in one phone to use them, so in this video I'm going to show you how to log in different accounts in just one device and how to clone your WhatsApp app in your device. So I want you to stick with me till the end of this video, as I will be showing you step-by-step process on how to do this. So this is very simple. All you need to do is to stick with me till the end of this video. And if this is your first time here, this is what I do on this channel. I share a lot of tips, a lot of amazing secret tips. If you want to be one of us over here, just click the subscribe button to join the active family. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it.
Go into your device setting. So go into your setting and scroll down a bit and go to your app management. So go to your app management. So after clicking on the app management, you are going to find the app twin down here. So on different devices they have different name, so you can just figure out the name of this feature on your smartphone. So after that, you are going to click on app twin down here. So when you click on it, it will bring out all social media apps you have on your smartphone. So this app, you can clone them on your smartphone. For example, let's say I want to clone Facebook. You just have to click on it and it will install another version of Facebook. So you can also do the same to other apps right here. And to the main purpose of this video, which is WhatsApp cloning. So to clone your WhatsApp, you just have to click on WhatsApp icon and it will install another WhatsApp app on your smartphone, and which means you can use this app differently to log in different accounts on your smartphone. So with these tips, you will not have to log in your WhatsApp account to another device before you can use different accounts, and you will not have to log in or log out your WhatsApp account before using different accounts. So you can use multiple accounts with this method. So you found this video valuable too, so make sure you like this video, and if this is your first time here, just make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss my next video.